Good afternoon. Thank you for tuning in to Mirror Now. I'm Marti Subramaniam. It's been a tense few hours at the Delhi borders where farmers have been camping for over 2 months. We're going to bring you all the updates about what the situation there is currently. Let's start off at the Singhu border, which is between Delhi and Haryana. Currently, there is a tense calm that prevails here after a prolonged period of stone pelting, after a parallel protest group arrived at the spot and asked that the farmers be vacated immediately. The situation escalated. There was heavy police deployment over there, but the police were a bit out of hand. They were in numbers, they were in swelling numbers. They had to resort to tear gas shells and lathi charge. Alok brings us this ground report.
People who are towards the police side protesting against the farmers, they are pelting stone. Again, in front of my eyes, the stone pelting continues. And on the other side, the farmers are also, right now they are maintaining restrainment, but at the same time, some of the people also pelted stone, shot sword from that side. Now it's complete face to face. It's face to face fight is going on. From one side, the stone pelting is on. From the other side, the stone pelting continues. Police is completely failing to maintain the law and order over here. Lot of police force is here. Lot of police personnel. A lot of police personnel are here, but they are still not what we are sensing. They are not seems to be successfully in maintaining the law and order over here. Stone pelting continued. One side, the farmers and the people are standing with the swords in their hands. That is also we can see. But they are not throwing stones. They are not pelting stones. But right now, more police personnel have arrived in. And now they are trying to pacify the situation. At one corner, the stone pelting stopped, while the other corner, the stone pelting is still continued. So at every alternative time, the stone pelting starts, then stopped. Now, large number of police force have moved towards the enclosure. But one person, let me update to our viewers that one person from the farmer side was caught with the sword and he has been taken away to the police station. And not only that, he was beaten up badly when he was caught by the police personnel. First he was beaten up by the police personnel, then local people, those who are protesting. The person who are protesting over here, they also beaten him up badly. Now he has been taken away in the police gypsy. In fact, one of the SHOs, a station house officer, also got injury with the sword which he was using. In fact, he has a deep injury in his hand. Then after that, he was caught and he was taken away.
Okay, now that was a report from about an hour ago when the situation was volatile. Currently, the situation at Singhu is calm, but a tense calm prevails on ground over there. The parallel group of protesters have been cleared out for now and security deployment remains very high. Let's shift our focus now to Ghazipur, which is the Delhi-Uttar Pradesh border. Late last evening, there was high drama there as Rakesh Tikait, who is the leader of the Bharatiya Kisan Union, dug in his heels. He said he's not going to vacate the spot. This came even as the local administration had a notice to vacate the spot, to clear out the spot, but he refused to budge. The situation was extremely tense late last evening. In fact, there were also signs that the police could possibly forcibly evict them, but that did not happen. Now, Ayushman sends us his ground report from this afternoon where farmers gathered in large numbers there currently in Ghazipur. Security deployment is thin compared to what it was yesterday, but many farmers and their tractors continue to flock the area.
आप लोग अभी पहुंचे हैं दिल्ली, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
ये मोदीनगर से, भोजपुर से।
अच्छा,
खंजरपुर।
कैसे आए आप लोग, क्या हुआ?
यार राज जो है टिकैत भावुक हुए हैं।
हाँ।
और किसानों में बड़ा वो हुआ है।
तो उसके बाद टिकैत जी की इमोशनल अपील के बाद आप लोग वापस आए?
हाँ दिल्ली आए, दिल्ली आगे जी, दिल्ली जो रात गुंडागर्दी करी है सरकार ने, इस वजह से आए। टिकैत साहब थारी गैल है हम
खंजरपुर मोदीनगर से,
मोदीनगर खंजरपुर से आए जी। 150 ट्रैक्टरों को काफिला है।
आप ये बताइए, कल रात में जब आपने टिकैत जी को देखा भावुक होते हुए, क्या सोचा आपने कि चलना है अब?
हाँ हाँ
क्या लगा?
अन्याय है ये।
अन्याय है।
हाँ
उसके बाद ही डिसाइड किया कि अब चलना पड़ेगा।
चलना पड़ेगा।
तो अभी यहाँ कितने दिनों के लिए आए हैं आप लोग?
कितना भी टाइम लगे।
टिकैत जब तक हमें आदेश ना कर देंगे कि यहाँ से नहीं जाना, हम मर सकते हैं लेकिन हटेंगे नहीं। जन सैलाब फेर के फैला देंगे।
आप लोग पहले भी यहाँ आए थे? और
हाँ
फिर
जी,
चले गए?
पहले भी आ रहे हैं क्योंकि घर पे काम भी देखने हैं, कोई अकेला होने की वजह से। जैसे ही टिकैत साहब हमने भावुक हुए देखे, आग बिल्कुल आग बबूला हो गया। सरकार की ऐसी की तैसी कर देंगे। किसान जन सैलाब लेकर आ रहा, 150-200 ट्रैक्टर आ गए हैं। अभी और आ रहे हैं, काफिले के काफिले साथ के साथ आ रहे हैं। अभी हमारी मातृ शक्ति पीछे जो अभी घर पे तैयारी कर रही है, खाने दाने के साथ पूरा बच्चे समित यहाँ आएंगे। दाना पानी लड़ाई आर पार की होगी।
अब आप लोग यहाँ से जाने का प्लान नहीं है?
नहीं है, जाने का प्लान क्यों होगा? जाने का प्लान क्यों होगा? एक तो हमारे उस पर, दूसरी बात हमें ही वापस हमारे घर भेज दे जाए, हम बिल्कुल नहीं जाएंगे। मरना बर्दाश्त करेंगे लेकिन नहीं जाएंगे।
So there you heard the farmers have clearly said that they will continue to halt over here but won't go back. It is after the emotional appeal of Rakesh Tikait. The crowd has come at Ghazipur border. With video journalist Mrityunjay, Ayushman for Mirror Now.
Meanwhile, the Uttar Pradesh police have said that further steps to remove the protesters will be taken only after talking to farmers and assure that the police will not do anything forcibly. Remember, this of course comes a day after the Uttar Pradesh government urged the officials to ensure the completion of the farmers' agitation in the state.
उत्तर प्रदेश शासन ने शुरुआती दिनों से ही ये बात की थी कि हम अपने किसान भाइयों से लगातार संवाद की स्थिति बना के और उनसे बातचीत करके रास्ते का इस प्रकरण का हल निकालेंगे। कल जो सुरक्षा व्यवस्था बढ़ाई गई थी या आज भी जो सुरक्षा व्यवस्था बढ़ाई गई थी, वो इन कारणों से बढ़ाई गई थी कि कहीं एजिटेशन की आड़ में कोई गलत तत्व उसके बीच न घुस जाए और हम सभी लोगों को कॉन्फिडेंस में लेके ही आगे की कार्रवाई करेंगे।